Retina Clear is being advertised as some kind of miracle eye supplement, one that can clear up blurry vision, sharpen your eyesight, and even help you toss your glasses for good. They throw around big buzzwords like Harvard-backed and Oxford eye flow hack, which definitely catch your attention. I mean, who wouldn't want to fix their vision with just a few pills, right? But as always, we dug a little deeper, and what we found throws up some serious red flags. First off, Retina Clear is only sold through its own website. You won't find it on Amazon, Flipkart, or even in local pharmacies. That's usually a sign to be cautious. It means no verified buyer reviews, no third-party customer support, and no accountability if something goes wrong. On top of that, the site is packed with manipulative marketing tricks like fake countdown timers, pop-ups saying your order isn't complete, and urgent messages to push you into buying fast. That kind of pressure selling is never a good look. When it comes to the ingredients, you've got familiar names like lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, and vitamins A and C. These are known to support general eye health, but they're not magic. There's no solid scientific proof that they can restore 20/20 vision or reverse serious eye problems. Basically, they might help with eye strain or support healthy vision, but don't expect life-changing results. Another big concern? Retina Clear isn't FDA-approved. The label says it's made in an FDA-registered facility, but don't be fooled. That just means the building is on file with the FDA. It doesn't mean the product itself has been tested or approved. Now about the reviews. On their site, they show glowing testimonials and claim to have tons of happy customers. But when we check Trustpilot, nothing. Not a single verified review. That's always a red flag because if the product was really that amazing, you'd expect to see at least some real feedback elsewhere online. So, is Retina Clear legit? Honestly, it looks pretty sketchy. It's full of big promises, but with no reliable marketplace presence, over-the-top marketing, no FDA approval, and zero trustworthy reviews, it just doesn't feel safe. Sure, it has some decent ingredients, but there's nothing here to prove it can do what it claims. If you're serious about eye health, you're better off speaking to an eye doctor and sticking to well-reviewed, verified supplements. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart and shop safe.